Well, hello everyone. Welcome to Financial Reporting 1. My name is Professor Reeves and I will be your instructor for this course. I am currently on the Canvas page. We log into the Canvas site. You will look for our course. ACCT 318 is the course description. Here on the home page, you have information about the course. This course will focus on financial accounting topics, including time value money concept, valuation of inventory, acquisition and disposition of property, intangible assets, and revenue recognition. We will follow what is known as the GAAP principles, which are the accounting rules of the United States, and also look at IFRS, which are the accounting rules for the international companies. So be sure to review all the information shown here on the home page. Notice that in the right hand corner, it shows you a to do. There's a welcome and greeting announcement out there. It also shows the assignments for chapter 1 and chapter 2, as well as the due date for your week 1 assignment. I'm going to click on the simple syllabus, and the syllabus has the pertinent information for this course. And let's see. An error occurred. So let me go out of the student view because I think the syllabus is still being approved. So I'll leave the student view for right now and go to the normal view for the professor. And here we see the actual course syllabus. So the course syllabus has information. It has my contact information, my email address, and my phone number, information on the course. And again, this course is an 8-week course. It gives a description of the course. You have the learning outcomes from this course on the syllabus. It shows the required course material and how to access that material. This is an online course that be taught via the internet. You're required to have stable internet access, and I recommend that you log into the Canvas site a minimum of every 48 hours to see what information has been posted. You will evaluate it based upon the following methods. You will have homework for each chapter, quizzes, blog discussions, 2 exams, and a course project. This shows the total points you can accumulate during the semester. Next, you have your grading scale that shows what percent of those points you must earn for each letter grade in this course. Okay? Then you have different information on the discussion criteria that you need to read about, course attendance and participation. So again, you need to participate in this course in a regular manner by participating in the discussion blogs, completing your homework, completing your quizzes, when applicable, completing your exams, as well as your course project. Late assignments, there could be a deduction of 10% per day for late assignments. So you want to make sure that you do complete the required assignments by the due date listed on your course schedule. And there are some other policies regarding academic integrity, etc. And it also gives you the recommended amount of time that you should spend within a semester pertaining to this course. Okay? So student engagement, even in an online course, is very important. So again, we communicate via the internet, whether it's be the form of email, through discussion blogs, through announcements, but make sure you stay engaged and participate in the course activities. There are policies regarding accommodations for a student that may have any type of disabilities. There's other policies out here that you need to take your time and read about regarding technology requirements, the how to access the help desk, academic integrity, proctoring. For your exams, they will be proctored, meaning that you will need to have a computer with a webcam in order to take your midterm exam and the final. You will hear more about that as the course progresses. And again, there's other policies that you should read about. There's going to be a course schedule that shows your assignments and the due dates for each of those assignments. So again, be sure to review thoroughly the information under the syllabus tabs. Announcements. Any announcement here will also be sent to your Maryville issued email address. So right now there's a welcome and greeting out there that you need to read. But again, any announcements posted will also be sent to your school issued email address. I'm going to go back to the student view and click on the course modules. So you can see the different modules that we have on the site. There is a start here button when you're going to see a video under here that just kind of does an introduction to the course. So I recommend you take some time to review that video. There's also information on the allocated amount of time that required or recommended for you to spend on this course. And again, it gives you also a breakdown of the different type of assignments you're going to complete for this course over the next 8 weeks. There are some other policies out there about the course that I recommend that you read. There's information out there by artificial intelligence that I think you will find beneficial. So I'm not going to go through each of these items, but there's a lot of information. My information is out there as well. And this is all data that you're going to locate under the Start Here menu on the Canvas site. Also, very important, there is a student introduction under the Start Here menu that should be completed during week 1 of the semester. You're going to give a response to these questions. This should be done and completed by Wednesday of week 1 of the semester. And it is asked that you give feedback to a minimum of 2 of your classmates after you have posted your blog. Now, notice that you cannot see any replies until you have posted your blog discussion on this site. Okay? And again, this data is all under the Start Here blog, also the Start Here module on the Canvas site. We're going to utilize the American Accounting Association website to find and do research on different topics in accounting, such as revenue recognition, etc. Now, right now, I'm going to have to come out of the student blog or the student module because here is your chapter 1 module. However, a prerequisite, you cannot go to chapter 1 until you complete the required assignments under the Start Here module, which is going to be the introduction block. All right. So again, notice that you will not be able to access the chapter 1 module until you complete the required assignments, which will be the introduction block that is under the Start Here method. I'm going to come out of the student view for right now. So under the chapter 1 module, and it'd be the same setup for each chapter. You would have the overview for that chapter. Next, you are going to have video lectures on each chapter. So here we have 3 or 4 video lectures out there for chapter 1. They're going to come up in a few minutes. Here they go. So be sure to review the video lectures out there for chapter 1. Next, you have a demonstration problem where you're going to actually, I'll give you a problem first, and then the solution to that problem is going to be listed second. So first complete the demonstration problem on your own, then come back to check the solution to make sure that it was done successfully. Okay? There's a chapter 1 blog that needs to be completed. You're going to have homework for chapter 1. And I forgot to mention that you all have to have access to the Connect site for this course. When you purchase your textbook from the Maryville bookstore, then it should have came with Connect Access. If you have questions on how to access the Connect site, then you can reach out to Maryville for that process. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the modules tab and go back to the chapter 1 module. And again, after chapter 1 homework, there's also a chapter 1 quiz. There's a chapter 1 smart book assignment, which is optional, but it is recommended. So it also gives you the actual due date for all of your chapter 1 assignments. And you'll see this format for all of the different chapters, chapter 1, chapter 2, etc. Now, chapter 1 and chapter 2 have to be completed, not completed, have to be completed during the first week of the semester. But again, you cannot access the chapter 2 module until you completed the required assignments under the chapter 1 module. Okay? So be sure to review all of the content under on the Canvas site. And again, most information you're going to find under your modules tab. But if you have any questions, again, you can find my contact information under the Start Here tab where it says Instructor Introduction. Here is my contact information. So feel free to reach out. I'm looking forward to an exciting semester of Financial Reporting 1. Talk to yourself.